Attention Engine 2, still alarm. Attention Engine 2, still alarm. On 159 Commonwealth Ave, Sycamore House, UMass, final activation. 159 Commonwealth Ave, Sycamore House, UMass, 719.
79 from Engine 2.
Go ahead, Engine 2.
Engine 2 is on the air responding, UMass, Sycamore House to the alarm sounding. We're a crew of 4.
Engine 2, you're on the air for Sycamore House, crew of 4, 722.
From Engine 2.
Go ahead, Engine 2.
Engine 2 is on scene, Sycamore House, UMass, with UMPD and EH&S. Multi-story fire-resistant construction. Alarms are activated, nothing else showing from the exterior. This will be Sycamore Command. We'll be switching to fire ground.
I got it. Engine 2, you're on scene, multi-story fire-resistant structure. Nothing showing from the exterior. You have Sycamore Command on fire ground at 726.
From Sycamore Command.
Go ahead, Sycamore Command.
No CO found, no smoke, no fire. System's been reset. Command is terminated. Engine 2 is in service returning.
Received separate alarm activations listed as CO, no CO found. Engine 2 in service, command terminated 736.